constantly pushing through your workout, barely taking a moment to catch your breath? You might think that resting only 1 minute between sets is the key to an efficient and intense workout. But what if I told you that this common advice could be holding you back from achieving your true potential? In today's video, we're diving into why resting only 1 minute between sets might be a mistake. We'll explore the science behind rest periods, how they impact your strength, muscle growth, and overall performance. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to optimize your workouts for maximum results. So, if you're serious about making gains and optimizing your performance, stick around and we're going to reveal 7 bonus tips at the end of this video for you. These insights might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Let's get started. The importance of rest periods. First, let's talk about the importance of rest periods. Resting between sets allows your muscles to recover and replenish their energy stores, specifically ATP, which is crucial for muscle contractions. When you rush through your sets with minimal rest, you might be compromising your performance and the overall effectiveness of your workout. Imagine trying to sprint multiple times with only a brief pause in between. Each sprint would get progressively slower and less powerful. The same concept applies to your muscle sets. Adequate rest is essential for maintaining your workout intensity. By giving your muscles time to recover, you're enabling them to perform at their best in each subsequent set. This means you can lift heavier, push harder, and ultimately see better results. Participants who took longer rest periods between sets saw significantly greater improvements in muscle strength and endurance, compared to those who rested for shorter periods. This shows just how critical adequate rest is for optimal performance. Impact on strength training. When it comes to strength training, adequate rest is key. For optimal strength gains, it's recommended to rest for about 2-3 minutes between sets. This allows your muscles to recover sufficiently so you can lift heavier weights with proper form. Think of it this way. If you're lifting heavy weights with only a minute of rest, your muscles might not be fully recovered, leading to reduced performance and possibly even injury. Longer rest periods enable you to push your muscles to their true potential in each set. To illustrate, let's consider a scenario. You're doing a set of heavy squats. After your first set, your muscles are fatigued and need time to recover. If you only rest for a minute, you might find that you can't lift as much weight or complete as many reps in your next set. By extending your rest to 2-3 minutes, you give your muscles the time they need to recover, allowing you to maintain intensity and improve your overall strength. Studies have shown that longer rest periods between sets can lead to greater increases in muscle strength compared to shorter rest intervals. This is because your muscles have more time to replenish their energy stores and clear out metabolic waste, enabling better performance in subsequent sets. Muscle hypertrophy and rest periods. Now let's discuss muscle hypertrophy or muscle growth. Studies have shown that resting for about 1.5 to 2 minutes between sets can be more beneficial for hypertrophy compared to shorter rest periods. When you give your muscles a bit more time to recover, you're able to maintain higher training volumes and intensities, which are crucial for muscle growth. Short rest periods might lead to muscle fatigue before you've truly maximized your workout potential. For instance, a study in the European Journal of Applied Physiology found that longer rest intervals between sets led to greater muscle growth over an 8-week training period. Participants who rested for 2 minutes between sets saw more significant increases in muscle size compared to those who rested for only 1 minute. Imagine you're doing a set of bench presses. If you only rest for a minute, your muscles might still be fatigued from the previous set, limiting your ability to lift as much weight or perform as many reps. By resting for 1.5 to 2 minutes, you give your muscles the time they need to recover and perform at a higher intensity in the next set, leading to better overall gains. It's not just about the immediate recovery, but also about allowing your muscles to perform at their peak throughout your entire workout. This approach helps you achieve greater muscle activation and stimulation, essential for muscle hypertrophy. Cardiovascular considerations. You might be wondering, what about cardiovascular fitness? Isn't shorter rest better for that? While it's true that shorter rest periods can increase your heart rate and contribute to cardiovascular endurance, it might not be the best approach if your primary goal is strength or muscle hypertrophy. Balancing your goals is important. If your main focus is on building muscle or gaining strength, consider incorporating separate cardio sessions into your routine rather than compromising your strength training with insufficient rest. For example, you could designate specific days for cardio workouts, such as running, cycling, or HIIT sessions, and reserve your strength training days for lifting with adequate rest. This way, you can optimize both your cardiovascular health and your strength training results without one interfering with the other. It's also worth noting that even during strength training, your heart rate can still get a good workout. Compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses naturally elevate your heart rate, especially when performed with proper intensity and adequate rest period. Additionally, maintaining a higher training volume with appropriate rest can still provide cardiovascular benefits. Your heart rate will fluctuate, allowing for periods of intensity followed by recovery, which can contribute to overall cardiovascular health. Personalized approach. It's important to remember that rest periods can be personalized. Factors like your fitness level, the intensity of your workout, and your specific goals all play a role in determining the ideal rest time. Listen to your body. If you feel that you need more time to recover between sets, take it. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, and adjusting your rest periods to fit your needs can lead to better results and a more enjoyable workout experience. Consider tracking your performance and recovery in a workout journal. Note how you feel after each set and how your performance changes with different rest intervals. Over time, you'll be able to identify the rest period that works best for you, helping you to optimize your training and achieve your goals more effectively. For example, if you're new to strength training, you might find that you need longer rest periods to fully recover. As you become more conditioned, you might be able to shorten your rest intervals slightly while still maintaining performance. Conversely, if you're an advanced lifter, you might benefit from longer rest periods to continue pushing your limits. Another factor to consider is the type of exercise you're performing. Compound movements like deadlifts and squats, which engage multiple muscle groups, generally require longer rest periods compared to isolation exercises like bicep curls or tricep extensions. Ultimately, the key is to experiment and adjust your rest periods based on your progress and how your body responds. Remember, what works for someone else might not work for you, so personalize your approach for the best results. Bonus tips. As promised, here are some bonus tips to enhance your workout routine. Track your rest period. Use a stopwatch or a fitness app to keep track of your rest periods. Consistency is key to finding what works best for you. Experiment with different rest intervals and note the impact on your performance. This can help you identify the optimal rest time for your specific goals. Mix it up. Depending on your workout goals, vary your rest periods. For example, use shorter rests for endurance training and longer rests for strength training. This can help prevent plateaus and keep your workouts challenged. You might find that different exercises or muscle groups respond better to different rest intervals. Stay hydrated. Drinking water between sets can help maintain your performance and prevent fatigue. Dehydration can significantly impact your strength and endurance, so keep a water bottle handy and take sips regularly throughout your workout. Staying hydrated also aids in recovery and overall muscle function. Focus on form. Use your rest periods to mentally prepare for the next set, ensuring that your form remains impeccable throughout your workout. Good form not only prevents injuries, but also ensures you're targeting the right muscles effectively. Take a moment during your rest to visualize the next set and how you'll execute it with perfect form. Light stretching and mobility. During your rest periods, you can perform light stretches or mobility exercises to keep your muscles engaged and improve flexibility. This can enhance your overall performance and reduce the risk of injury. Gentle movements like arm swings, leg swings, or torso twists can help keep your muscles warm and ready for the next set. Breathing techniques. Focus on your breathing during rest periods. Deep, controlled breaths can help you recover faster and prepare your body for the next set. Proper breathing can also help reduce stress and keep you focused on your workout. Nutrition. Ensure you're fueling your body properly before and after your workouts. Eating a balanced meal with protein and carbohydrates can help with muscle recovery and growth. Consider having a light snack if your workout is particularly intense or long. Implementing these bonus tips can take your workouts to the next level, helping you optimize performance, recovery, and overall results. Remember, every small adjustment can lead to significant improvements in the long run. Giving your muscles the time they need to recover ensures that each set is performed with maximum effort and proper form, leading to more significant gains in the long run. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.